Okay, this video is done to show how to create a plane parallel to a surface, and this surface is on an angle. So it goes like this. This is the part. This is the fixture we're holding the part with. So we're gonna select the face, and then we're gonna say insert geometry plane, and automatically it gives us this dimension here. Now we're gonna select this line here and then we're gonna say parallel, and that way we're gonna create the plane parallel to this surface, but it's gonna be exactly at that line, which is in this case is gonna be the very top of the part. So that way when we cut this section here, we're gonna select either the floor or the plane to orient the tool for the tool orientation, and that's how it's created. We're just gonna say well, in this case I'm just gonna cancel because I already created that plane. So we have the plane, and now I can create boundaries. I can create this. I am transforming the line over here. Then I'm gonna create also this and this there. And now I'm going to connect the lines to create the rectangle. I'm gonna delete this, and then I'm gonna connect this line and this line, and that's it. All right, and that is the end.